little boys in the snow. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. We've hung some things and most things are here on the floor. These boots are going over to the vent upside down. I might add. There we go. Whew. Snow ice cream now. Hi everybody, please excuse my appearance. We have just come in from outside and I am bundled up in my husband's flannel. It is coming down out there. If you can see it, it's coming down out there. If you can see that maybe behind me. And we are gonna make some snow ice cream and we would love for you to join us. So here it comes. When we lived in Korea, there used to be this amazing, delicious thing called Seoul bean.
What's that?
That was where you would go and you get shaved milk and it looked just like snow like this. And they'd give you condensed milk to pour on top of it. And they had toppings all over it.
What's this
And
thing?
Mom and Dad like the chocolate one that had like sweetened cocoa on top of it.
What's this say?
With whipped cream, well, like, yeah, like
Love.
the whipped cream.
Love.
And shaved chocolate and then like these like
What's this
brownie,
say?
like truffle bites on all, like balls all over it. It was incredible.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. One. What's XOXO?
That means hugs and kisses.
Oh no. No, we got them mixed up.
I think we got too
No,
much
Hannah,
snow.
don't eat it. Don't eat it.
She can eat it. You just gotta mix it up, Hannah.
What about the coloring?
No, we're not gonna color it.
Aww. I wanted to put the blue coloring in it.
We're out of blue coloring, buddy. I know. We're gonna have to go to the store and get some more food coloring. But we can't go today.
Why?
Look outside.
I know. I know.
You know? Baby, it's cold outside.
It doesn't feel just
I
right.
really can't stay. I've got to go away. This evening has been so very warm.
Mom, dry.
I think you need a little sugar. Excuse me, Hannah. Mix it up.
Too much snow, you mean?
Yeah, when you have too much snow, then you have to have a lot of ingredients. I really can't stay, baby, it's bad out there. Got to go away, it's up to your knees out there. This evening has been so very nice. I'll take your hand. Your hands are like ice. I'll say no, 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 sir. Oh, baby, it's so
Yeah.
outside.
Serious?
All right, Jeremiah, here's some for you. Try that.
That didn't taste. Mine's not ready either.
Whoa. Try that.
Okay.
This is like the perfect snow for snow ice cream. There you go, Hannah. I'm gonna go shoot it up.
Tastes the same as mine.
Delicious.
Okay.
It's so good.
Real good.
Mm. Highly recommend. You can't mess up snow ice cream for the most part.
This is good.
Milk and sugar and ice, you just can't mix it up. With a little
My
vanilla.
mom said
We've done cocoa before and added in chocolate chips. It's so good. Snow ice cream.
One of those. Oh.